Hey everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. I have got 3 888 lots of liquidation Amazon Overstock. So I paid $445 for all 3 of these boxes. I'm hoping to get some multiples in here so we can list them on the store. Make sure you stay tuned to the end. We'll be pricing everything and showing you how much it is on hookedonpickin.com. But we're going to open up each box and find out what unique, interesting items did we find in Amazon Overstock. Alrighty, we're going to get into this humongous box. So some of you noticed that I do pallets and I do boxes. So one thing I would say as a reseller is start with boxes. They're a little bit easier to manage, although usually pallets you get a little bit more bang for your buck because you're paying a lot less. Sometimes you get a lot less waste when buying boxes because you have a lot less items, and then so you don't have all these items that are broken, or how in the world am I going to sell that? So let's go ahead and check out what's in these. Oh, I love those walkie-talkies. We sold them really fast, didn't we?
Yeah,
we had a bunch of these. And so these are outdoor walkie-talkies for kids 5 to 10 years old.
The last time they came, they weren't all what the box looked like.
They were all a little different.
Different colors and whatnot.
Yeah, because see, like, there's a picture of a yellow one on the side.
Yeah, yellow, blue,
so,
and I think on the other side it's black, so we got to figure out what
And then
they
what
are.
color do we have? So we've got a blue picture, a yellow picture, a black picture, and then we also have, and inside the box is a camouflage.
Yeah.
Because that makes total sense.
Sure.
But they're both camouflage, so that kind of works out.
Oh, yeah.
So what we have to do with each one of these is find out, are they all camouflaged?
Is there any way to tell on the box itself?
This one says, yes, it says camo, 1 pair. All right, let me see if any of them say something different. This one says pink. So let's see, are they pink? Pink camo.
There you go.
So we're definitely going to have to check them out so that I have them listed properly on hookedonpickin.com. So let's see all the different ones. Let's see. This one says camo. This one's the green camo. We're going to try to make different stacks here. This one's the pink one, right? Where's the label? This one said pink, yes. Okay. All right, then this one says blue. They're all camouflage, it looked like. This one's a blue pair. So we've got 3 different colors so far. This one says purple. We're just getting a wide variety. Purple camo.
These go great for Christmas.
These are going to be perfect stocking stuffers for Christmas. So, all right, let's see. This one says nothing, so we're just going to have to look at it. This one is yellow.
Yellow camo?
Yep. Yellow camo. What else we got? We've got, this one is, I think this was the green one. Yep, green camo. Looks like we got the most of green camo right now. This one says, this one should be the green camo. It is. This one is solid pink.
Beautiful.
So far we got a lot of variety. So we're probably going to just make one listing and then put variations under it.
We already have a listing.
We do have a listing. I don't know if I have it under variations or if I have it separate. These are green camo. All right, let's see what else we got. This one is supposed to be green camo. It is. So we got a lot of the army green camo. So this one says purple. Yep, this is the purple. It's purple and pink camo. I don't know where the purple and pink camo one is. I have to find them. Anyway, I'll organize them in a minute. I'm gonna do a stack over here. So we got a bunch of these walkie-talkies. I will organize them and put the proper, what is this one? This one's totally a different one. I need a box cutter to open that. Oh, Oh, this one is blue and green.
Yeah.
This was a different one. Different. It's the same. No, it's different.
Brand.
I don't know. Anyway.
We got walkie-talkies.
Walkie-talkies coming out our ears.
Talkie and a walkie.
Talkie and a walkie. All right. So here's another one. We're going to have to organize those. This one's in a fatter box. Ooh, look at this color. Teal.
Seafoam.
Seafoam. I think that's it. All right. Now we have some giant boxes of stuff. Dixie Cups. I use these all the time when I was a kid. These are great for crafts or just putting in your bathroom.
Okay. 200.
Yeah. 200 Dixie Cups. All right. Oh, there's another one. Boy, they pack these things good. Oh, there's another one down there. There we go. So 3 boxes of those. Then we have, can I get it out? Oh, that thing is really heavy.
Denmark.
Denmark, tools for cooks, non-stick aluminum cookware set, 10 pieces. So you get this.
Everything you see.
Everything you see in the picture.
Beautiful.
Yeah, it is cool. That's a nice set. Oh man, it's really heavy too. All right, what is this? This is another big box and I cannot pick it up. So we're gonna be smarter than the box. Let's just slide it out. All right, what's in here?
The side of beef.
Side of beef. Well, I hope not, because it's been sitting in the warehouse for a little while, unfortunate. Oh, another one of these. Perfect.
Beautiful.
All right, so we got 2 of those. Gorgeous. Love that. All right, that is it on that box. Now we're going to do this one. These boxes are heavy. This one's the lighter of the 3. This one's 32 pounds. That one was 48 pounds. Alrighty. Ooh, look at that pillow. It's actually the pillow, too. A lot of times when you go on Amazon these days, you'll look at a picture and go, oh, I would love that throw pillow. You buy it, and then it's just the cover. It's not actually the pillow. So this is actually the pillow with the cover. And I'm trying to see. Yeah, this is one solid piece. So you've got this one, really cool, pretty design. And it looks like there's another one in there. Yeah, same exact design on that. Yep, so a nice set. We'll probably sell it as a set. All right, now what are these? Stainless steel top pet fountain. Come on. It's taped, Heather. It's taped. I was like, why isn't it opening? Okay. There we go. So it's a little fountain for your pet to drink out of, I guess.
Beautiful.
Or it could just be a random little fountain, but it looks like it's very, you know, like, because it's stainless steel, it's just...
It's a water fountain for your pet.
Water fountain for your pet. This one says blue, so there must be blue on the side. Let me see. I'm going to pull it out here. Okay, so it's blue on the bottom. Has a little bit of USB port, so you can plug it in, like for the electric, and then it just pours out.
For your dog's phone.
For your dog's phone. Your dog's smartphone. So now we have a smart fountain for them.
There you go.
All right, so it looks like we've got, are these all fountains? Yes. So we have fountain, fountain, fountain. There's another fountain here. Fountain, 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 fountain. Padding. What are these? Edible, super hot, scorpion, pepper, all-inclusive growing kit. So grow some super hot peppers.
It's awesome.
It comes in this cute metal can.
So you don't touch it.
Yeah.
It'll burn you, probably. What kind of hot pepper is it?
Reaper plant kit.
Reaper plant.
That's what it says. Super hot.
Buckets.
MORUGA scorpion pepper.
What is the hot level? 2 million?
Yeah. So we have a bunch of those.
Sweet.
I don't think there's anything else in this box but those little fountains. You know what? They appropriately packed this box because you've got hot peppers and water fountains.
Just in case.
Just in case the hot peppers catch on fire, the water fountains will be there to tone it down. All right, so that's awesome. Everything in that box. Well, that was a simple box to do. All right. Last box. Remember, stay tuned. We're going to be pricing everything on hookedonpickin.com. You'll be able to see it listed there and know what it's priced under. So that when you look for it, you know exactly what I called it. And you can just search for it. Okay. I reuse this bubble wrap all the time. Okay, we have this has got the same code as the aluminum nonstick cookware. So that's what that is. This big box here. What are these? This is called a vacuum food jar lunchbox. It's like a little thermos, I think.
Oh, perfect time of year for that.
Yeah, so you put...
Look at that.
It's so cute. Try to see. There you go.
That is cool looking, Heather. Put some chili in there.
Well, the reason why Paul said put some chili in there is because I just made my famous chili. Actually, it's someone else's recipe that I made today. It's really good. It is really awesome. Good old Dave Barkow. We're doing Dave's recipe of chili. Guy at our church
Good
makes
man,
it.
that Dave Barkow.
He is. Oh, look! It comes with a spoon.
Its own little spoon.
Its own little spoon. I bet it fits inside. You think?
I bet it does.
Nope. But it comes with it nonetheless.
Everybody needs a spoon. Heather.
Yep. So you can... Awesome sauce. Isn't that super cute? I just think it's cool. Okay, let's put it back in its plastic here. Keep it all nice and beautified. So it comes with a spoon, and so it's called a vacuum food jar or a thermos lunchbox, basically. So you could do soups and drinks and coffees, and so we got a bunch of those. Ooh, Old Spice Hydrating Body Wash. Health and Beauty sells amazing for us, and these are brand new, totally sealed.
Blue.
What else we got in here? What is this? Digital trail camera. I feel like I want to put that in our backyard.
We have all kinds of creatures in our backyard.
Well, we've had black bear sightings near us. We live in Southern Illinois. And then Paul saw a video on Facebook of someone that we know that lives in Southern Illinois that as they were combining, all of a sudden you see this black bear run out, and there were like literally 8 black bears in this small little section that they were combining. It was crazy. So careful, they're combining. You're going to get attacked by a black bear. No.
We've got deer, rabbit, skunk,
Possum,
raccoon, owls.
We have ducks in the backyard too.
Ducks.
That we have seen just in our yard.
Yeah.
We haven't seen a bear yet, but we have seen all of those other ones.
I feel very confident there's a black bear around here somewhere.
Yes.
Feel it.
You feel it. Here is a queen sheet set velvet plush. So this is actually a sheet. It looks like one of those throw blankets, but this is actually a queen set. It comes with 1 fitted sheet, 1 flat sheet, and 2 standard pillowcases, and it's one of those soft fuzzy kinds. Velvet plush queen sheet set. That looks amazing. I know, it's wintertime and it's going to be awesome. All right, I think that's it. That is it inside the box.
It's a cool looking trail.
It is a cool looking trail cam.
Nice.
So we occasionally, like, we have cameras on our doors, on all our doors, and we have a cat that likes to trigger the one in the carport that lives in the neighborhood. But anyway, we're going to go ahead and price everything. Come right back. All right, we've got everything listed at hookedonpickin.com. We've got them under various different categories, so you can easily just go to the search bar click that, type in the title, and you'll be able to find everything there. So some of the things will be in, a lot of the things will be in our home and kitchen decor section. We've got some that are listed in our fun finds. So we have a lot on the store, so check it out. We have various different categories. And then of course, don't forget about our weekly specials. Every week we pick about 12 items to discount on the store. So they are already discounted with the price you see in the actual listing, and so check those out. So what do we have, and how much are we gonna you're gonna have to pay on hookedonpickin.com? We have the walkie-talkie sets, and we have all of the varieties listed. So we have added our camo colors, $14.99, and they are a 2-piece set. So you can get the camo and the yellow, and we've got some pink camo and some purple and blue, and of course we have this fun neon one as well. So they are a multi-channel walkie-talkie set. Great idea. They are all brand new for a stocking stuffer or a gift for someone. Then we have the Good Times bathroom cups, 3 ounces, 200 box, assorted designs like a Dixie cup, $5.99, and they're very useful. Then we have the Micro Fleece Extra Soft Cozy Velvet Plush Printed Sheet Set. It is a queen size, $39.99. Then we have the Simply Home 17-inch Native American Decorative Throw Pillow. So we do have 2 in stock, $9.99 per pillow. You can just buy one at a time if you'd like. Then we have the lunch food jar, 16 ounces. This is super cute. Stainless steel lunch thermos with spoon, $14.99. It's vacuum insulated, and it's just really, really nice and functional. Keep everything nice and warm and safe and secure. Then we have the Challenge Super Hot Carolina Reaper Plant Kit, $6.99. You get this little can, and it has everything included to be able to grow your own Carolina Reaper pepper. So I think in 2012 it was voted the hottest pepper in the world. So this would be a really fun gift to give someone who just likes spicy stuff. They can kind of take their shot at a green thumb and see if they can't grow their own peppers. $6.99 per can. Then we have a pet fountain stainless steel top. So it looks just like this. You feed your pet. It's got a large capacity, 2.4 liter. It's very silent. It does have a plug-in USB cable for it, and then it's safe for pets and animals. So really nice find there, $19.99 for that. Then we have the Old Spice Hydro Body Wash. This is from the Hardest Working collection. Steel Courage is the scent, 16 ounces, $4.99 a piece for those. Then we have the 10-piece cookware set in coral, or kind of a orangey red color, $9.99 for these. Online, I looked them up, $149 is what you'll pay on Amazon for these. So $99.99 is a perfect one for this. It's got all of the pieces included there, and so it shows you the mesh steamer basket, the fry pan, saute pan, saucepan, and a larger saucepan. So it's got all of those sets with lids, and $99.99 is what they are. Then last but not least, we've got the Trail Camera 1080p. It is a 12 megapixel camera. Really, really nice. Great for outdoor use, motion activated, 120 degree field of vision. So if you're just wondering what's wandering in your backyard, here you go. You can buy this for $49.99. So hopefully you will find some really fun things on hookedonpickin.com, and you'll enjoy, surfing all the fun things. So hopefully you love everything, and of course, remember in the end, Jesus wins.
You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.